If your Shopify product descriptions are long and messy, adding tabs makes information easier for customers to read and navigate. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your active theme and navigate to the product pages. In the sections for product description, look for an option to enable tabs. If your theme doesn't natively support tabs, you may need to install a Shopify app that allows product tabs. Once tabs are enabled, configure each tab with a title, such as Description, Specifications, or Reviews, and add the relevant content under each tab. After setting up the tabs, save your changes and preview a product page to confirm the tabs display correctly and make navigation easier for customers. After saving, your product descriptions now use tabs, improving readability and navigation for customers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.